I'm Nicole, a librarian at McAllen Public Library, and to celebrate Asian Heritage Month, we compiled a list of Asian cookbooks and a few favorite local Asian restaurants. Check out these and many more cookbooks out at the library. A link for each cookbook is included in the description box below. Here are a few recommended restaurants and their delicious dishes, representing Indian, Korean, Vietnamese, and Thai cuisines. We hope you enjoy these recommendations and follow MPL Adults on Facebook. Thanks for watching.